Flat colors, flat story, ever felt that? You pour your soul into a painting, but it just sits there lifeless. Watch this. A dull Radha Krishna image flashes. Then boom, divine light floods the screen. See that? In seconds it turned from flat to alive. Stay with me, and I'll hand you the exact procreate steps to make your next artwork radiate with devotion, like their eternal love itself. Intro. Hey art fam, I'm Idy. Let's be honest, we've all tried 50 glow tutorials, stacked 20 layers, and ended up with a tired iPad and a dull result. Today we fix that. You're about to learn the same light secret that ancient painters used instinctively, the one every temple postcard quietly relies on. No endless brushes, no confusion, just a clean, magical formula. Think of this as digital bhakti, pure light meeting pure love. 1. Why glow matters. Glow isn't decoration, it's devotion made visible. In Mughal miniatures and temple murals, gold wasn't bling, it was bhakti shimmering on canvas, a visual prayer. When Krishna's flute called, and Radha's heart replied, artists painted that invisible energy as light. Skip the glow and you skip the soul. Human vision is wired for light. From sunrise to gemstones, shimmer triggers emotion. That's why viewers feel divinity when art glows. They're subconsciously reading light as sacred. Done right, glow turns an image into an experience. It moves from illustration to invocation. You're not just painting figures, you're translating transcendence into pixels. 2. The setup. Start dark. Begin with darkness deep enough to cradle light. Think pre-dawn indigo, not cheerful sky blue. Contrast is your amplifier. Light can't sing unless shadow sets the key. Canvas specs. Use a 4000px square at 300 dpi. It keeps fine details, like Radha's jewelry or Krishna's flute carvings, crisp even after zooming and export. Small canvases choke luminous work. Folder structure. Before sketching, create 3 folders. Sketch/base/glow. Label them clearly. Order is silent power. Chaos kills flow. Organized files let creativity breathe. And divine art demands calm precision. 3. Flat but smart. Now block shapes, mid-tone skin. 1 solid color per garment, no gradients yet. Use a hard round brush, at 100% opacity, for sharp edges. Soft bases blur future highlights. Then add a clipped layer above each zone, Radha's skin, Sari, Krishna's crown, etc. These safety nets keep edits non-destructive. Shadows and highlights stay neatly inside forms, letting you explore freely without repainting borders. Think of them as invisible stencils that guarantee purity. 4. The golden secret. Time for the divine spark. Duplicate your base folder. Merge the duplicate into 1 layer. Drag it into the glow folder. Now open adjustments. Right arrow Gaussian blur approximately 12%. Switch blend mode to add. Instant radiance, your painting breathes. If it looks nuclear, lower opacity approximately 30%. You want warmth, not a cosmic explosion. Then pick a soft airbrush and a rich ochre or marigold yellow. On a new layer set to color dodge. Brush lightly over cheeks, shoulders, flute edges where sacred warmth gathers. Color dodge doesn't paint, it ignites existing light. The darkness beneath fuels the flame, creating living luminosity, like dawn spilling over Vrindavan. This 2-step, add blur plus color dodge, is your eternal glow mantra. 5. Rim light pop. Glow without edge looks foggy. Rim light defines divinity. Create a normal layer at approximately 60% opacity. Sample your dark background, flip to pure white. Using a fine brush, trace small comma strokes along figure edges where moonlight would kiss them. It's gentle sculpting, not outlining. 1 stroke too many and you're in neon territory. Zoom out often. Art is felt from afar. If highlights overpower, erase softly at 10% flow. This subtle halo separates forms from the void, giving them volume and breath, a marble under moon effect.
मनमोहन तेरी छवि इतनी प्यारी बंसी बजैया रस नचैया